2 weeks ago, I charged a client rupees 500 for just a single reel script. It just took me 8 minutes to write. And last month, I earned 10,000 rupees just by writing reel scripts. Claude is doing 90% of the work. But here's the catch. But most people using Claude now are getting generic output and they can't give that results to the clients because you don't know how to train the AI model correctly. So I'm about to show you a 6-step guide through which you can earn 10,000 to 50,000 rupees a month by doing nothing. So before we dive in, why did we choose Claude, not ChatGPT or not Gemini? Simple, Claude is insane at replicating structure and style. Your pacing, your emotional triggers, your CTAs, everything can be simplified through Claude. Claude copies your exact DNA. Okay, so you give it 20 scripts from one niche. It learns from your hook, from your triggers, your CTAs. It exactly replicates your style. What I am going to show you today is a system. You are going to build a copywriting machine that sounds like a human, and clients will easily pay a premium for that. They don't want AI slobs, they want things which convert. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1 is collecting all the data. You need 10 to 30 scripts from one niche only. Finance, health, tech, fashion, whatever. But just stick to one. This script should be high performing, viral reads, YouTube videos that actually have worked. If you have written scripts before, you can use those as well. But if you are starting fresh, what I'd recommend is take the top creator from your niche and take out 20 YouTube scripts from there. So tools like Downsub or YouTube transcript feature works completely well. You can just copy paste it. So there is this extension called Glass. It helps you generate transcript and which is completely free. I personally use that, and if you also wanted, the link is in the description. Okay, so now you have 10 to 30 scripts. Save them in one folder and step 1 is done. Next up is we extract the copywriting DNA. Step 2, exact writing principle using ChatGPT. Now you have got your script, but Claude can't just read them and magically understand what makes them work. You need to break down the psychology behind them. Analyze the script, extract the copywriting framework, emotional triggers, tone, pacing, hook style, CTA patterns, and psychological principle used. ChatGPT will give you a detailed breakdown. It will tell you what framework the script uses. It will tell you the emotional triggers, fear of missing out, curiosity, social life, etc. It will also analyze the tone. Now, step 3. This is the most important part. Creating a meta prompt. So think of it like this will be the base through which your AI agent is trained. So what most people will try to do is they will try to write the prompt themselves. So what we will do is we'll input all this data into GPT and it will give us a custom meta prompt. So you don't need to know meta prompting. You can just copy paste this and get the exact result. So take the entire analysis document, all the principles you extracted from step 2, copy everything, go back to ChatGPT and paste it all. Then give it this prompt. Based on all this copywriting analysis, create a comprehensive meta prompt for Claude AI. Use the ROCD framework. This is very important. R refers to role, O objective, C for context, and D for data. You divide the meta prompt into 4 important categories. One is role, second is objective, third is context, and fourth is data. Now ChatGPT will generate a killer meta prompt for you. It will structure everything perfectly. Role, objective, context, data, everything. You will have the final copy paste prompt ready. This is what tells Claude how to write in your voice. So I'll just copy the meta prompt and paste it in Claude. Step 4 is training Claude using projects. Alright, so now we have to go to Claude AI, create a new project and name it something like whatever your topic is, finance copywriting machine. Now upload all your scripts, that 10 to 30 scripts you collected, the analysis document that the ChatGPT broke down from step 2. Then go to instruction tab, paste your meta prompt, the one ChatGPT just generated for you. Done. You have just trained Claude. Now whenever you open this project and ask Claude to write a script, it's not pulling from generic AI knowledge. It's pulling from your data, your tone, your style, and your hooks. This is what most people don't do. They use Claude in main chat. But with projects, Claude becomes your personal AI writing assistant. Every script it writes just sound like you. Alright, training done. Now let's generate the script. Claude generates a script in seconds, and because you trained it, the output is already 90% there. Your tone, your structure, your hooks. But here's the thing, you still need to refine it. AI does the 90% of work, you do the final 10, and that's the system. And now you have a client ready script in just 10 minutes instead of 3 hours. That's the power of systems, speed plus quality. Now let's talk how much can you charge. Now you've got the system. How do you get paid with this? You can create reel scripts on Instagram and charge 500 rupees per script and even $20 to $50 for international clients. Option 2, offer services on Fiverr, Upwork or different platforms where you can write script for other professional people. Third, YouTube script writing. Long form scripts pay more. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $2,000 to international clients and make insane amount of money just by writing scripts for them. And which technically you are not doing. The AI does it for you. So fourth step is finding retainer clients. Finding a creator or brands that need script on a regular basis. You can deliver 10 to 20 scripts per month and get paid really well. Here's the thing, you are not selling AI, you are selling quality. You are selling consistency, you are selling the real results. Clients don't care if you used AI, they care if the scripts convert. And with this system, your scripts will. So there you have it, how you can print money using Claude. This system works really well and there are people out there making real money from this. You can also leverage AI in your favor and make money from AI. Drop a comment if you are going to try this workflow, and if you want more AI money systems, you can just subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.